We only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Welcome to the vlog. We're headed to church. Sterling's not here. She's already in church. She went to Sunday school. That y'all can wear. I'm Dr. Seuss. Jalapeno poppers.
Your sister's got a weak hat too.
Jalapeno poppers are my favorite. You gotta sing about the jalapeno poppers if you're gonna eat them.
And bow ties on your socks.
You're gonna beat it open? This way or this way? Yeah, this way.
What y'all doing?
So we took the day off, went shopping. Now we're going to eat. Okay, well be careful with Uncle Brian's phone. So we're gonna eat at Lily Taco. We never ate here before, so we'll see what this is about. Is your teacher mean? No. Keep them closed. Are they closed? Open them. Is that what you wanted? Is that what you wanted? Yeah? That's going to help you. Look at the moon, you guys. It's so beautiful. You guys, my husband put in these lights. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. So many bright lights. I got one in my room. He's gonna put another one in here. So in my room, as you can see. But I told him it'd be nice if he put one like right there, maybe. Because I have this light, so I don't need anything there. So if he put another one there, it would be so bright in here. So bright. Oh, I have to tell you guys a story about a man named Judd. No. So I'm not working today. Taking the day off. I finished all my orders on Friday and Saturday morning, so I am not working today. There's no mail tomorrow, and there's just 2 on my list that I have to make. So I'm gonna make them tomorrow because they can't ship out tomorrow anyway. So, anyway, so the other day, oh, is that better? I don't know. The other day, you guys know I made this shirt, but I had to remake it because I accidentally spelled it Olivia, O-L-I-V-I-A. When I looked at the order, it says O-L-I-V-A. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I misspelled it. So I didn't send it out. That was on a Friday, so I remade it Sunday and shipped it out Monday. Well, I get a message from them, and they're like, they want a replacement shirt because I spelled their kid's name wrong. It's Olivia, O-L-I-V-I-A, and I spelled it O-L-I-V-A. I'm like, I spelled it as you have it on your order. So I screenshotted it, sent it to them. And then I'm like, well, if you want a replacement, I already got one made. I was like, I can give you a 50% off coupon, making this would have been $15.50 shipped. So a shirt, the shipping itself is, I think it was $4 and something, because it's, I forgot where they live, maybe Nevada or somewhere like that. Anyway, yeah, so, you know, a shirt technically for about, I don't know, $11.50, because, you know, it's got shipped. They're like, no, they'll just make the one they have for work. If I accidentally put Journy, forgot the E, and ordered a shirt from somebody, and it was my fault, and I saw it was my fault, and they'd be like, oh, I can make you a replacement for half price, I'd probably take them up on it, just because, honestly, I know how much work it is and what goes in it. But seeing how I had personally made the mistake of putting that name on the shirt, and it not actually being that name, I think it's kind of funny. But they said no, so I have it. I actually thought about just sending it to them anyway, but then again, I might eventually sell a shirt with the number 6 and a size 8 for Olivia. It's not like an uncommon thing. I don't know if I ever have made that one with a number 6 for an Olivia before, but you never know. I don't know. You know, it's one of those things. It's like, will I be holding on to it for like years and years on the chance of me selling it? Or, you know, anyway. I also got some aprons around here, like one with the name Violet on it, because I think I put the wrong pattern. Yeah, I think they ordered one with a different pattern. I've done that a lot, actually. Like, here's one with the name, oh, this one with the name Lucy actually had something sticky on it right here, so I didn't send it. This one I made the other day on accident. So, yeah, I kind of got a lot. This one, I think I was going to throw away. I don't remember why. Oh, yeah, there was a hole right here. I don't know if it's focusing. I'm not even looking at the camera. Right about there. So I didn't send it. Normally when that happens, like if they ordered just one item, like if that, and I made the mistake, I would just send them both shirts or both of them, because a lot of times I'm like, what am I going to do with it? It's so bright out here, you guys. All these lights, it's crazy. I love it. I absolutely love it. And he bought more. So, the crazy story is, he decided he's going to replace that one over there now. He bought some of these. First he bought the other ones. You might have saw them. They were the first ones he replaced and he put in there. Then he ordered ones that were similar to this, but they weren't white. They were yellow, and it was like $80 for 2 of them on Amazon. So he put one in my room, and then he put one out here. Out here. And then he goes to Home Depot and finds them for how much?
What was it?
With the lights. How much did you find the lights for?
$16.03 on clearance.
And what you're paying? You paid $80 for them instead of 2?
It was $80, but I think it had 10% off. So yeah. So I got 5 lights for $80 instead of 2 lights for like $72. But I just goofed up on ordering the lights. The lights wasn't bad, it just was the yellow, and I thought I had clicked on the picture where they would like bright white. And I could have, and they could have just sent the wrong thing. I don't know, but I was dissatisfied with the lights because I felt like it was darker than what we had taken down. So, but I was going to stick with it. But then I went to Home Depot and walked around on the back, and there was a clearance aisle, and I saw 1603. And I was like, is that right? Is that right? Grabbed the buggy.
Yeah.
Put all 5 in the buggy, run up front, and I said, is this price right? Lo and behold, it was correct. So I said, yeah, I want all 5 of those. Well, then I call back and I come home and look them up online. Nobody's got them within a 100-mile radius. So I call Home Depot this morning, and whoever I talked to said, yeah, we can give them to you at 1603. We can order them at 1603. We can have them shipped to your house, or you can pick them up here, and I'll go ahead and go ahead and do it over the phone. I'm like, no, I'm going to pass because I got to come back to Home Depot anyway and pick up some stuff. So when I go to the same Home Depot and I tell them I want to order these, the woman I talked to this morning said I could get them for 1603, and they're like, no, we can't buy them, get them offline for 1603. We can't do that. And I'm like, well, why did the person say that? And I said, they offered to go ahead and, take my money this morning. We can't take orders over the phone. We can't do any kind of purchasing.
Who were you talking to, though?
I'm like, who did I talk to? I mean, I called them anyway. So the lady that was, I guess, the
manager?
Well, MOD or something, whatever.
MOD.
Manager on duty. I don't know, whatever.
I don't know what it's called. CEM?
Maybe.
I don't know.
She says, let me call a different store. Called over there because it on their system, the in-store system said that the one across town had 42. The internet Home Depot site said they had 0. So she called over there. Yeah, they had them. Yes, they had them for that price. So we just skipped across town and picked up 3 more.
And went shopping at Ross.
That you went shopping at Ross twice.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.